Welcome back. We are on the topic straight lines. In the previous video, we solved a question on finding the coordinates of the midpoint of a straight line joining two points. In this video, we are going to solve another question. The question for this video is the coordinates of the midpoint of the line joining point C with coordinates 2, -3 and point D with coordinates -4, 9 is -1 m. Find the value of m. Let's illustrate this question. So point C and point D is joined by this straight line. Point C has the coordinates 2, -3 and point D has the coordinates -4, 9. And the coordinates of the midpoint, that is the middle of this line, is -1 m. The question wants us to find the value of m. We saw from the previous video that the coordinates of the midpoint is given by the formula half into bracket x1 plus x2 as the x coordinate and half into bracket y1 plus y2 as the y coordinate. C is the first point, so the x coordinate of C will be x1 and the y coordinate of C will be y1. D is the second point, so the x coordinate of D will be x2 and the y coordinate of D will be y2. So x1 is 2, y1 is -3, x2 is 4 and y2 is 9. All we need to do now is to substitute this information into the formula. Now remember that the coordinates of the midpoint is -1 m. So the coordinates of the midpoint of the line CD is equal to half into bracket x1 plus x2. x1 is 2 and x2 is -4. So we are going to have 2 plus -4, which is the same as 2 minus 4. We learned this in algebra. So the x coordinate is half into bracket 2 minus 4. The y coordinate is half into bracket y1 plus y2. y1 is -3 and y2 is 9. So we are going to have half into bracket -3 plus 9. So the coordinates of the midpoint of the line CD, which is the same as -1 m. Remember that the coordinates of the midpoint of CD is -1 m. So -1 m is equal to half times 2 minus 1 is -2, then half times -3 plus 9. -3 plus 9 is 6. So -1 m is equal to half times -2, half times 6. And this will give us -1 m is equal to half times -2 is -1 and half times 6 is 3. So -1 m is equal to -13. Now we are going to compare what we have on the left hand side to what we have on the right hand side. The x coordinate on the left hand side is -1. The x coordinate on the right hand side is -1. The y coordinate on the left hand side is m and the y coordinate on the right hand side is 3. So by comparison, we can see that m is equal to 3. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to learn how to find the gradient or slope of a line. Bye bye.